Hello and welcome to my kitchen and welcome to Super Simple Saturday. My name is Sherry and today we are going to be making a breakfast casserole that takes just 9 minutes. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love super simple recipes, but most importantly, you love helping out a good cause, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and check the description below for the details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so this is really easy to remember. It's 9 minutes and it's 9 eggs. So 9 minutes, 9 eggs, and then a half a cup of milk. So I'm just going to whisk that into my eggs, and then anything else that you want to add to it. So whatever you would normally put in your breakfast casserole. You can do ham, bacon, sausage, any kind of vegetables. So I had some leftover tater tots. That's what I have in here. And then I've also got some pepper and onion. I'm going to do a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then I also had some ham in the freezer that I needed to use up. So I chopped some of that up really quick, and that's what's here. So I'm going to go ahead and toss this in here, along with my ham. Give it a good stir. So if you have like a leftover baked potato, you could chop that up. You can cook some potatoes. You can leave the potatoes out. You can put French fries in here if you wanted. All right, so I'm going to put the lid on this, and it's going to go in the microwave for 9 minutes. All right, that 9 minutes went fast. Look at that. How pretty. I'm glad I used the tater tots. I think it makes it look really nice. And I don't think I'm going to taste this right away. I'm going to let this cool down. And I'm sure you guys know what a breakfast casserole tastes like. Except I'm anxious to try this one because I normally put sausage in my hash brown casseroles, and this one has ham. So this one will be a little bit different. But give this a try. Serve it alongside like a couple pieces of toast, and you've got a full breakfast there. So you guys have probably seen me call this my slow cooker when it's sitting in the base. So this is a Rockcroc that Pampered Chef sells, and I love it because it can be a slow cooker, but it can also go in the microwave, the oven, the stovetop, under the broiler. It can go on the grill, all kinds of things. So that's why I love this thing. So as long as you have a microwave safe dish though with a lid, it should work. So I thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.